This is Bentech Sounds BTS. स्वागत करता है. Welcomes you. Today our topic is subsidy loan from the bank. It is called PMEGP, means Prime Minister's Employment Generation Program. प्रधानमंत्री रोजगार सृजन कार्यक्रम, प्रधानमंत्री उपाधि कल्पना पदकम. We will see what are the necessary things and how to apply. All categories with women can apply. This program has low interest rate. Those who apply this program must have minimum age 18 years and maximum age is no limit. Very good program. Service sector is 10 lakhs and manufacturing sector is 25 lakhs. Loan depending on education qualification below 8th class. Service sector is 5 lakhs and manufacturing sector is 10 lakhs. Above 8th class, service sector is 10 lakhs and manufacturing sector is 25 lakhs. Two categories. First one, general category. Contribution 10%. Applied 10 lakhs, 1 lakh is contribution. Receiving 9 lakhs. Subsidy. A person who stay in cities called urban, 15%. A person who lives in village is called rural, 25%. Second category, contribution 5%. If apply 10 lakhs, 50,000. Receiving 9 lakhs 50,000. Subsidy, people who lives in city called urban, 25%. People who lives in village is called rural, 35%. Good opportunity. You can apply for this program. Total 344 businesses: cycle repairing, barber shops, plumbing, motor vending, dhaba, auto garage, paints, room colors, leather toys, clothes, etc. Interest rate 11% to 12%, nearly 90 paisa to 1 rupee. Next, repayment between 3 years to 7 years. You can start EMI. You can apply, start business, enjoy. Thank you.